This glass, please. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Oh my God. Well, maybe that was a little too hard. Sorry?
Okay.
It didn't go through.
That's
So that's a plus side.
Let's try the
All
right.
right. Try that one, really? Okay. Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through. All right. Not bad. Room for improvement. All right. Let's see. So yeah. We did actually throw everything. We threw wrenches. We threw everything. We even literally threw the kitchen sink at the glass, and it didn't break. For some weird reason, it broke now. I don't know why. Just fix it in post.